Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your whole content for the month on your blog in less than 10 minutes. So this is the website that we're going to do today. It's a towing company in Charlotte, North Carolina. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make sure that the blog is set up because I don't think they set the blog up on this website yet. So all we need to do is add the blog page like so. So if your website on WordPress doesn't have a blog, all you need to do is create a page, call it blog, and then publish it. Then you're going to go into your settings, reading, I believe, post page. We're going to call it blog, and we're going to save it. So now that you should have a blog set up on your website. We're going to link it in the menu if it's not already linked. Let's just double check that. Should be linked. I don't know. Nope, it's not. Okay. So we're going to go to menus and now we're going to link it. We're just going to search. There's a lot of pages. All right. We're going to add it. Oh, wait. We're not going to put it there. We're going to go to the primary menu. It's okay. We could leave that. And then we're going to add it here because the other menu, that was the footer menu. I'll show you where that was in a second. You could add it to the footer menu too. It's not a big deal. We're going to move the blog or like so. And let's check how it looks. Okay, it's there. Now when you click it, it should be empty. So now we're going to fill this up with content. So also we got to delete this. So blogs are located in the post section here. And then all we need to do is trash that. All right, now we have an empty blog. Now we're going to go to fooch.ai and we're going to ask this question. All right, so I have a website for a towing company in Charlotte, North Carolina. I need 4 good blog post titles. All right, so now we're going to take this. We're going to go to new chat. And then we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to put that in quotes, but we're also going to put some other commands in here. We're also going to say, act like an SEO copywriter, follow EEAT standards, whatever that is, and make the content super helpful. All right, let's see what she does. All right, so now we have our blog, our first blog. And we're just going to copy this here like so. We're going to go back to this. We're going to add a post because remember, pages and posts are different if you're new to WordPress. So your blog's posts go over here. So we're going to click add new post. And then we're going to fill this in right here. So we got to make it look a little better. So we're going to put the title up here. We're going to get rid of that. We don't need introduction. We're going to make we don't need a conclusion either. We're going to make these H2 tags. So it looks a little, oops, I'm not going to do it like that. So it looks a little formatted. So I don't know why this is doing that. So sometimes I just do it like this. I'm going to do, so H2. And then I'm going to copy them and go down the line and H2 here. H2 there, H2, H2, and then we're going to close it. So this is some advanced HTML I got going on here. Okay. We're going to go back to visual and see how this looks. So it looks a little better. Okay. So now we should put in perhaps a picture. We're going to make the category. We're going to put Toe in Charlotte as the category. And then we're going to put tags like that. Okay. And now to schedule it, we're going to do publish immediately. Actually, I'm going to get an image for this in a second. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to make an image right now with Dolly. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. All right, I got my image. I'm going to put it in now. Let me show you that. I'm going to drag it over. Okay. All right, there's our nice, beautiful image. What we are going to do now is we're just going to format it a little better. Let's see, where can we put this? We're going to make it a little smaller. We're going to bring it up a little bit. And maybe align it. Let's see how it looks aligned. All right. All right, now we got our image. Now to schedule it, all we need to do is hit that edit button, and then you're going to pick the date. So we're going to pick, the first one's going to go out today at 1:37. So we're going to do that. Oh no, that's the time it is now on the computer. So we're going to change this. We're going to put in 15, okay. So now that we're going to hit schedule. And we're also going to hit preview just to see how it looks. We don't know how it looks yet. Let's see how it looks. All right, it looks okay. We're going to change our name too. Sometimes it puts the default name, so we're going to take care of that. We're going to just center this. It doesn't look centered. So we're just going to hit that, hit the center button, bada bing, bada boom. And now we're going to go into users, all users, and we're going to change this name out. This name is a little funny looking. We're going to change it to Charlotte Towen. Then we're going to save it. And then after we save it, we're going to hit that and then save it again. So now when we post, let's hit preview again. It should update. If not, it'll probably update in the second one. No, it updated. Okay. So now it looks pretty good. All right. there you go, a standard blog post. I might put a sidebar here just to make it look not so white. It probably looks better on mobile. A lot more people are going to see this on mobile anyway. All right, so let's get into the second one now. So we're going to go back to here. We're going to go to our old chat. Actually, they're using the same one, so we're just going to make a new chat here. So this is using ChatGPT's API. So we're going to get 3 more. So we did that one. We're going to do this one. I'm going to save these so it doesn't erase. And now we're going to put another one here. And then we're also going to use the script that I used here. And then we're going to go back there to the new chat. Should be somewhere right here. All right. So all we need to do now is just change out this title. And then I'm going to save this script. I'm going to include this in the description later on the script that I use. All right, we got that one. And while that's working, I'm going to just get the other ones ready so we could go in under 10 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our blog and we're going to make our post. So we're going to go add new post. I'm going to paste it there. We're going to put that there. We don't need this. We're going to make these H2 tags. Oh, yeah. Sometimes WordPress is funny like that. So we're just going to put it in like this. So the slash, oops, the slash goes at the end. And then the non-slash goes up top, like so. And that should look a little bit better. Again, let's use an image. I'm going to probably change an image here and there. All right, make sure that's centered. Let's make that a little smaller. And then we're going to go towing, tags. So this one's for emergency. So we're going to add some keywords like emergency, towing, Charlotte. And then maybe like 24-hour. All right. We're going to add that there. And then, so now we're going to pick the date that we want this published. So what we are going to do is we are going to hit that edit button. And so instead of the 15th, let's go the 22nd. I like to change this time too. You don't want to keep it all the same. Always remember to hit that OK button. If you hit schedule it, it'll schedule with the old time. So now that this one is scheduled, let's preview it, see how it looks. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now let's go on to the next one. So I got my prompts ready, so all I need to do is go here and paste it back in. And now I'm just going to do the same thing. So we got 2 of them already done. And now we just need 2 more. And now you're going to have all your content scheduled for the month in less than 10 minutes. And then again, we're going to add a nice little image here. Let's put this guy. Looks like he likes to work on cars. All right, towing. What is this about again? Right, towing company. So pretty much basic. We got this, we got this. So let's schedule the date. So we're gonna go with the 29th. And again, we're gonna change this time. 1:23, perfect. All right, this one's done. Now we got one more to do, and we're good for the month. So same thing. Go back to add new post. Actually, put that in there first. Get that going. All right. So I just noticed something, so we're going to double check one thing. Now we're going to go back here, and then I noticed like they put it in brackets here sometimes, so we got to change that out. I'll check if they did that to the other one. I don't think so. Maybe they did. So we're just going to put the name of the website. Going to get rid of conclusion. Nobody needs to know that or see that. Going to get rid of that one. We're going to put this title as the H1, and then we're going to make the H2s right here. We're going to go here, and then we're going to do it again. And then just follow suit. We're going to do that one, that one, that one, that one. We're going to get a nice image for this. We're going to put this guy now. No, let's put this guy. We're going to make the image a little smaller. Nobody needs to see it so big. We're going to add our tags. All right. Now we're going to go publish, change this to March. So March 6th. Let's do it at 8:55. And then just double check this, make sure that change the name here. And then we are all good. And now we're going to schedule it like so. So now we have all our content scheduled for the next 4 weeks, as you see. So this one's scheduled March 6th, this one's scheduled the 29th, the 22nd, and then the 15th. So I think I did it in under 10 minutes. The first one was just setting up some stuff, but you get the idea. So you could schedule all your content for your blog in less than 10 minutes if you got the right setup. So as you go on, you're going to get faster and faster at this. And now you got your content scheduled, and then you can worry about other things. So thanks for watching this, and I will catch you on the other one. Peace.